Good evening or good day. This is Bear joining you for another behind the scenes video. Last time we covered my process for recording and editing voice lines for Venom in my previous stop motions. Today, by popular request, we'll cover how to make monster sounds, specifically the writhing and squirming sounds of the symbiotes. For materials, I present these: watermelon, bell peppers, celery, water, and a bow staff. First things first, we'll record fairly lengthy tracks of ripping and tearing apart the fruits and vegetables. The more audio you have, the better. The next ones are some whistling, gargling noises with just a small sip of water. Finally, for the whooshing sounds, be careful while doing this and ensure you don't hit yourself or anything else of value in the process. With all of these together, let's jump back into Audacity. To create the sound of Carnage growing a new weapon of his symbiote, I'll find a specific section of each track that sounds closest to what I want. Then I start layering them and timing them to the footage. After a bit of fiddling, we get something like this. Hopefully you enjoyed this addendum to the series. This doesn't cover how every sound was made, but this should point you in the right direction. Next video, per viewer request, I'll go over my writing process for producing these videos. This will probably take longer than the others to make, so I'll do what I can and get back to you shortly. After that, I had another viewer request to post some commentary videos on the older stop motions in this series, so I may drop those every now and again. In any case, thank you for watching, and wherever you are, I hope you have a good rest of your day.